Hello and welcome to the World's Greatest Memory Techniques Day 2. My name is Adam Aziz. In this video, we're going to improve our memory, enhance our cognitive functions, and improve our brain health, God willing. Here's what we're going to do for the day. We're going to review what we did on day 1 with the Earth list 1 through 10, and then we're going to go over the Earth list 11 through 20 so you can memorize lists of up to 20. So here's the Earth list, and maybe you recall the reasoning behind some of them. So number 1 is Earth because there's one Earth in our solar system. 2 is bike because there's 2 wheels on a bike. 3 is fish oil because it's high in omega-3s. 4 is table because there's commonly 4 legs on a table. 5 is starfish because the starfish commonly has 5 points. 6 is roller coaster because of the theme park Six Flags. 7 is seas because of the phrase sailed the 7 seas. 8 is spider because spiders have 8 legs. 9 is canine because there's a 9 in it. Number 10 is crab because a crab has 10 legs. Okay, now that we went over the Earth list 1 through 10, you can make it interact with this list like we did on day 1. So we make this new list interact with the Earth list through visualization. Number 1 is key, and we make it interact with number 1 of the Earth list, which is Earth, because there's one Earth in our solar system. So we could visualize someone inserting a key into the Earth and opening up the Earth. Then when it comes time to recall what was number 1 of the new list, we go to number 1 of our Earth list, which is Earth. And we say what was happening to the Earth. And we remember that a key was opening up the center of the Earth. Number 1 was key. All right. And we're going to have them disappear. So you're going to do your best to make the Earth list interact with this new list. Number 2 is binder. And you're going to make it interact with number 2 of the Earth list. Number 3 is sticker. And you're going to make it interact with number 3 of the Earth list. Do your best. And if you don't get them all, it's okay. It's just an exercise. So number 2, I'm just going to give you the word, and you're going to do your best to make the visualization yourself. Now, in the next segment, I'll share with you the visualization that I use, so maybe it'll help you in your implementation of this strategy. Number 2 is binder. Number 3 is sticker. Number 4 is runner. Number 5 is iPhone. Number 6 is computer. Number 7 is heater. Number 8 is bird. Number 9 is gate. Number 10 is moon. Well done. Do your best to recall that new list that we went over by recalling the Earth list 1 through 10. So number 1 was Earth of our Earth list. Number 1 of the new list. Do you recall what was happening with the Earth? A key was inserted into it. Number 1 was key. Number 2, I'll go over what I visualized for each of these, and maybe it'll help you through your visualization process. Number 2 was binder. I saw a binder acting as a ramp for a bike. Number 3 was sticker. I saw a fish oil pill with the sticker on it. And I chose the fish oil pill because it represents number 3. It's high in omega-3s. It's number 3 of our Earth list. Number 4 was runner. I saw a runner taking his mark on a table, and I chose table because it represents number 4 in the Earth list because there's 4 legs commonly on a table. Number 5 is iPhone. I saw a starfish on his iPhone. Number 6 was computer. I saw a computer on the front seat of a roller coaster. Number 7 was heater. I saw a heater over the 7 seas. Number 8 was bird. You could visualize a bird snatching up a spider with its beak. Number 9 is gate. You could see a canine on your gate. Number 10 was moon. You could see a crab on the moon. Well done. Okay, now that was an exercise for the Earth list 1 through 10. Now this is the Earth list 11 through 20, so you can begin learning lists of up to 20. Each of the numbers corresponds to the concept or word that it's next to. Number 11 is maple leaf because on the Canadian flag, the maple leaf has 11 points. Number 12 is eggs because eggs commonly come in a dozen. Number 13 is stripes because of the 13 stripes on the American flag. Number 14 is stone because in the imperial measurement system in the UK, 1 stone equals 14 pounds. Number 15 is Cook Islands because it's a chain of 15 islands. Number 16 is driver's license because that's the age you can get a driver's license in California. Number 17 is pilot because that's the age you can become a pilot. Number 18 is semi because they're also known as 18-wheelers. Number 19 is banana because they're known for their potassium content, and potassium is the 19th element of the periodic table. Number 20 is bodybuilder because some bodybuilders do 20 repetitions. Okay, that's the Earth list 11 through 20. Let's proceed. So just as we did on day one, we're going to have this blue list interact with the green list through visualization. Remember to make the visualizations vivid, add emotion, engage the five senses, make things unique, interesting, or funny. All this can make it more memorable. So number 11 of our Earth list is maple leaf, and number 11 of our new list is book. So how can we make the maple leaf interact with the book in a memorable way? You can have the maple leaf acting as a bookmark in a book. Then when it comes time to recall what was number 11 of our new list, we go to 11 of our Earth list, which is maple leaf, because of the 11 points in the Canadian flag. And we say what was happening with the maple leaf, and we recall that it was in a book as a bookmark. Number 11 was book. Number 12 was eggs. Number 12 of our new list is eagle. We could have an eagle guarding her eggs. Then when it comes time to recall is 12 of the new list, we go to 12 of the Earth list, which is eggs, because eggs commonly come in a dozen. We say what was happening with the eggs? They were being guarded by an eagle. Number 12 is eagle. Number 13 is stripes. Number 13 of our new list is wall. We could see American stripes painted on a wall. Number 14 is stone, because in the imperial measurement system in the UK, 1 stone equals 14 pounds. Number 14 of our new list is theater. So we could see a stone on stage in a theater and people are watching it. Then when it comes time to recall was number 14 of our new list, we go to 14 of our Earth list, which is stone. We say what was happening with the stone? It was on stage in a theater. Number 14 is theater. Number 15 is Cook Islands because it's a chain of 15 islands. Number 15 of our new list is water slide. So we could see a water slide connecting island to island. Number 16 is driver's license. Number 16 of our new list is sloth. So we could see a sloth pictured on the driver's license. Number 17 of our new list is gift. Number 17 of our Earth list is pilot. We could see a pilot delivering a gift to a king, and the gift is in the co-pilot seat. Number 18 is semi. Number 18 of our new list is salt. We could see a semi hauling a load of salt. Number 19 is banana. Number 19 of our new list is carrot. We could see a banana put in a blender with the peel on, which makes it more memorable, and someone puts a carrot in there as well. Number 20 of our Earth list is bodybuilder. Number 20 of our new list is archery. We could see a bodybuilder practicing archery. Okay, now do your best to recall the list in blue, even though we only have the Earth list available. So number 11 was maple leaf. Do you recall where the maple leaf was? It was in a book. Number 11 was book. Number 12 was eggs. What was guarding the eggs? It was an eagle. Number 12 was eagle. Number 13 is stripes. Where were the stripes painted? They are painted on a wall. Number 13 is wall. Number 14 is stone. Where was the stone? It was on stage in a theater. Number 14 is theater. Number 15 is Cook Islands, because it's a chain of 15 islands. What was happening with the islands? A water slide was connecting island to island. Number 16 is driver's license. What was pictured on the driver's license? It was a sloth. Number 16 is sloth. Number 17 is pilot. What was the pilot delivering? He was delivering a gift to a king. Number 17 is gift. Number 18 is semi. What was the semi hauling? He was hauling a load of salt. Number 18 is salt. Number 19 is banana. What was in the blender with the banana? It was a carrot. Number 19 was carrot. And number 20 was bodybuilder. What was the bodybuilder practicing? He was practicing archery. Number 20 was archery. Okay, well done. On this day, we went over the reasoning behind 1 through 20 of the Earth list. I encourage you to begin practicing it 1 through 20 and 20 to 1 so you can begin memorizing lists of up to 20. I encourage you to share this with someone and have them give you a list in a random order. They could say number 7 is pen, number 12 is house, number 19 is battery. And after they recite all 20 words, you do your best to recite them 1 to 20 and 20 to 1, even though they give them to you in a random order. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this day. Until the next video, God willing. Thank you. That is the end of day 2.